How would you like to double your Amazon sales? That's right. Sellers who have a video on their Amazon product listings have experienced an average of 2.5 times more conversions. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video to your Amazon listing even if you're not brand registered. I'm Hobart and welcome to the Amazing Escape Plan channel. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our future videos. And without further ado, let's get to it. All right, so first, I'm going to show you how, if you are brand registered, how you're going to upload a video to your Amazon listings. And you're going to start by here, going to Seller Central, going to your main menu, hover over inventory and click on upload and manage videos. So this is going to be the dashboard where you can upload new videos for new products or multiple videos for the same product. And if you already have an existing video published, you can manage. So to upload a brand new video, you just have to come here to this button, upload video. And from here, it's very straightforward. You're going to click this button to actually select the file and upload your video, and make sure your videos follow the guidelines. So first of all, the format guidelines, you can only upload videos that are MP4 or MOV, and they need to be less than 5 gigabytes, the size of the file. And there's a minimum of 480 pixels video format, but I would highly recommend that you do a 1080 pixels. So it's 1920 by 1080 pixels high. So 1920 by 1080 high, which is the standard format for a good quality video. And some other guidelines that you need to make sure that you follow, I'm gonna open here in a new tab, and I'll be sure to put this link in the description below. But there's a frequently asked question link here about the video, so be sure to review everything. The most important part that I would consider is this one right here. The videos cannot include any web links, URL, or calls to action that direct the customer away from the product detail page. So you cannot have on your video, come to our store, www.hobartstore.com, purchase the video there, you can get discount, anything like that. So make sure you review these guidelines, and once you're ready, you can click here to select your file. It's going to start loading. And next, you're going to select a title. So the title, you can use up to 60 characters, and you will be indexing for those keywords. So definitely be wise when selecting the keywords that you're going to be using so you can really optimize your listing even further. However, this is going to be shown to customers, and I'm going to show you an example very soon of what the video is going to look like. But don't just keyword stuff this just for SEO purposes. They're going to be able to read it. So you want to claim a benefit, you want to give some product information and to not make it look spammy. Next, you're going to input all of the ASINs that you want that video to appear to. So, for example, if you have several variations, if you have t-shirts that are multiple colors, you want to put all of the ASINs, all of the colors that you want that video to appear to. And let's say this is a video about your brand. You could even have it for all of your products. They don't even need to be the same product, but you can put here a maximum of 300 ASINs that you can upload this video to. And lastly, a thumbnail. So if you do not want to upload a thumbnail, you don't have to. Amazon is going to select one of the video frames to be the thumbnail, but this is a big missed opportunity because when that video appears on your product listing, it's going to take up the space of one of your images. So definitely take the opportunity to create your own thumbnail, and I would suggest you to use an image that hasn't been used yet. Bring out a big benefit of your video, take advantage of that space because customers will be seeing it. You can use Canva to create your thumbnail. You can use Photoshop. There are lots of ways for you to create that thumbnail. And we already have lots of videos here on the channel showing you how to create listing images. You can even hire someone. And the format is 1920 as well by 1080, that typical ratio of 16:9. And you can do it in JPEG, PNG, GIF, and all of these other formats they're showing right over here in less than 5 megabytes. So once you select your thumbnail, you can go ahead and click submit. And it's going to go, if I go back to the manage video dashboard, it's going to show up here, and the status is going to be in review. So it could take from 24 up to 48 hours usually for the video to be reviewed and to either be published, approved and published, or rejected. And if it is rejected, Amazon is going to tell you why it's rejected. So maybe you infringe in one of those guidelines that we've mentioned before. Nevertheless, once you know what it is, you cannot edit the video right there. You leave that as rejected, you upload a new video with all of the corrections, and following the exact same step by step. And once it's ready to publish, and then once it's approved, it's going to say published. If you're not seeing the video yet, it could still, once it says published, it could still take maybe another 24 hours to actually show on the listing. Or maybe if you have, let's say, 9 images already uploaded there, and you're just assuming that Amazon's going to replace one of them with the video, maybe try deleting a couple of images, the last images, and so there's a room for Amazon to upload it. So just try that, because sometimes that is the issue. That's why even when it says published and approved, the video doesn't show up on the listing. All right, so let me show you an example of what the video would look like on your Amazon listing. Okay, so as you can see, this product listing has 2 videos. And if you see the little thumbnails right here for the images, and if you hover over, you're going to see the thumbnail that they've selected. That's why I'm telling you that you should take advantage of that. And only once the customers click on it, that it's going to start playing. And you're going to see here that this is the title that they have selected. So customers can see the title that you chose, as we talked about before. And another thing I forgot to say is that you can actually upload, if I'm not mistaken, up to 10 videos to your listings. But just know that they're going to take up room from the images. So just keep that in mind. But obviously, videos are extremely beneficial to customers when purchasing online, especially because we cannot touch, we cannot actually, look around in 3D, we cannot smell it. So this is definitely going to be one of the biggest, simple but biggest things that you can do to increase your conversion rate and actually get customers who come to your listing to purchase. Okay, so this is the video that shows up right here along with your product images. However, there's another place that anyone can upload videos to, and that can definitely help with your conversion rate as well. And that is, if you scroll down here, you're going to see that we have this videos related to this product section right here. And anyone can actually upload this video. All they need is to have an Amazon account. So they don't need to be a seller or anything. They can just have their Prime account, or not even Prime account. So you can ask family and friends to do this for you. It's not against Amazon terms of services to have them upload videos for you. All they need is to know your product. They need to be logged in their account, and they can come here and upload your video. And one small detail is that you cannot do that for your own listings as a seller using your seller account when you logged in. But if you have a customer account, or as I said, family and friends, or you can hire someone to do it, they just have to click on this video here. And it's a very similar step-by-step process. As you can see, they will upload the video right here. They will choose a title. Obviously, if I were you, I would give them the title and the thumbnail, and all they have to do is click submit. And then after a while, the video is going to show on their listing. And as I said, anyone can do this. You do not need to be brand registered. And speaking of that, as promised, I will show you a hack that you can actually have your video show up at the top of your product listing along with your images without being brand registered. And that is by actually hiring someone, or if you know someone, they can do it for you, an Amazon vendor. If you know an Amazon vendor, they're going to be able to upload a video to your Amazon listings. All they need is the video, the title, thumbnail, and your ASIN or ASINs, and you can easily find someone to hire that can do this for you on Fiverr. For example, if you come to Fiverr, you just have to put something like upload Amazon video, search, and you're going to see lots and lots of options. And it varies by price. So one thing is you have to make sure that they are going to be uploading the video to the product listing. So before you hire anyone, before you purchase, just make sure that the video is going to go on the product listing itself, like along with the images, not the related videos down at the bottom. But if you want to hire someone to do that, you can as well. But just make sure, perhaps that's why there's such a discrepancy in prices, $40, $5, $80, and so on. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. I hope you found this helpful. And if you did, do not forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions or anything to share with the community, please do so by using the comments below. And as I said, I'm going to leave all the links that I've mentioned here in the description as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.